Telephoning. How to ask to speak to somebody. Can I speak to Ranjan, please? Speaking. Hi, Mary. It's Rita. Could I speak to Peter, please? Who is calling, please? It's Mahesh. Hold on while I get him. Hi, is Jane there? Yeah. Who is it? It's Lisa. How to give a reason for your call. Hi, Bharath. How are you doing? Fine. And you? I'm good. What can I do for you? I'm calling to remind you of our dinner plans. Hi, Lisa. What can I do for you? You suggested I call you to discuss a few ideas. I am calling to let you know I'm interested. Can I speak to someone from the HR department? Can I ask what's it in connection with? I'm calling about applying for the job of a sales representative. I'll connect you to the person in charge of it. How to take or leave a message. She is at lunch. Would you like to leave a message or call her back later? I'll call her back, thanks. She is out at the moment. Can I take a message for her? Yes, please. Just a moment. I'll get a pen. He isn't at his desk now. Is it urgent? No, not really. Can I just leave a message for him, please? Just a moment. I'm getting a pen. Okay. Go ahead. How to ask if it's a good time to call. Is this a good time to call? Sure. Now is fine. What's up? Hi, Mary. It's Tom. Hi, Tom. Look, I'm in the middle of something. Could you call me back in a couple of hours? Is this a bad time to call? No, it's fine. What can I do for you? Is this a good time to call? I'm just dealing with something. Are you okay to wait a couple of minutes or do you want to call back? How to ask when somebody will be available. He is in a meeting. Do you know when it'll be over? He is with a client at the moment. Do you know how long he'll be? How to talk about problems with connection. The line is bad. Can you speak up? I'll try calling you when I'm in the office. My phone is dying. I'm afraid we'll get cut off now. Let me call you on the other phone.